Guys, gonna make some ossobuco recipe. So, mao ni ako ang ilata sa ato ang ossobuco. I-transfer diri and akong i-oven. Luto na gid ang ato ang ossobuco. Ossobuco, so it's very tender now. Oh, very yummy ang sauce food. It's my version. I did not use the red wine or cooking wine for this. And pair with the smashed potato. Okay, try it, my love. What's the taste?
Hot. Tastes very nice.
All right, that's
Very
good.
yummy. Yummy.
Ossobuco,
Look how hot it is.
very tender. Yes.
Very good. Not cold.
Yeah.
Dodgy brothers.
So, atong langkaton ang bone marrow. Look guys.
Oh.
Look at that. Uh, Very tasty. It's a good fat.